Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We Are Not The Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zien. I'm your host, P Fire, aka P equals MC squared. And this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit that you already know I'm going to do it. I'm going to go around the camera, come back in camera, and we're going to go do it like we're doing it for Sega Genesis. I don't know, guys, I don't know. Oh, people. I got it. Did I get it? I think I got it. Alright, I'm back in, guys. How smooth was that? That was smooth, right? Hold on. Let me straighten myself up, you know what I mean? That was not smooth at all, guys. Anyway, my beautiful people, how are we doing? Today we have this resplendent Stone Island jumper in this recycled material. It's kind of, what would you call this, peach? Yeah, I'd call it peach fuzz or something, you know what I mean? I'll tell you the exact material in un momento. This is Stone Island closed loop project. So this is from last season, and it's the Panama Tinto stuff around that. So if you saw Arco Meja wearing the jacket, it was from that collection there, you know. Yeah, really nice, really dope. Let's go into it, guys. I'll tell you the ins and outs in a minute. Okay, my beautiful people, so there's my waist. As you can see, this comes just below my waist, super dope. Let me give you the twirl RJ, the RJ to the twirl, the RJ to the twirl, little close up right there so you can see. Alright, my beautiful people, where should we start? Coffages, of course. Left to right, right to left, coffages. Ooh, the coffages. Ooh, the coffages. Guys, as you can see, elasticated cuff right there. Have a look at the cuff. Super nice, little bit of elasticated. Want to put your hand in, you can just get your hand in, but don't do that. You're going to stretch it out, and no one wants a stretched out cuff. Anywho, guys, yeah, super nice. Can you get a little feel for the material? Like I said, this is a recycled material. I will give you all the sort of details in a minute. Can you see those groovings there? Really nice. And it kind of feels a bit terry cloth. Not terry, but a little bit terry, you know what I mean? Really, yeah, it's just giving me terry cloth. Let me step back. What have we got? Oh, let me show you this. So here, you can see it says Stone Island closed loop project, and then you've got the compass right there. Super nice little addition. This is stitched on, so it's a individual piece, and it is stitched on. Now the eagle eye amongst you might have gone, hold on, I see a badge there. That's right, and we've got a special process badge, and that's because this is a new material, like I said, recycled closed loop project. So as always, guys, whenever they do a new material or something, you know, like a new process, you get the special process badge. So yeah, super nice. This came with shorts as well. I didn't get the shorts, you know, I've been pinching the pennies and choosing particularly what I want to get, but this is a beautiful piece, really beautiful, like beautiful to the touch, really nice. Let me take it off and I'll show you a bit more. Oops, watch the hair, guys, watch the hair. It's a mess. Okay, so let me show you the back so you can see the build. Like I like that, you know what I'm saying? You see you got that line going down, vertical line, and then you've got a horizontal one right there, you know what I'm saying? Super nice. Of course you can see your stone to the island, island to the stone. Now a beautiful thing about this piece here is it's made in Italy, and if you remember the video I did for the jumper from the season before, that was made in Italy as well. I say if you look and take your time, you can find the pieces that are made in Italy, because, you know, again, I'm not saying the made in Romania pieces or Tunisia are not great, but we'd rather have them made in Italy, right? So have a look around and see what's good. Again, made in Italy. So let me show you what this is. This is called the Stone Island Closed. So the Stone Island closed loop project reuses cotton material scraps from its own production chain. The scraps selected in the production plants are reprocessed to obtain new blended yarns containing at least 50% recovered material. So I'm liking that brands are now getting into their, you know, sustainability bag and making sure that, you know, all the offcuts and all the offshoots are being reused, because again, they're great pieces, so why not reuse them? Super nice, guys. There's not really much to say about this. It's just a really nice piece. You've got a little bit of a differential bit there. just on the side bit there, which is kind of a little bit smoother than the rest. It's kind of a bit like a corduroy. Can you see? It's got those sort of corduroy grooves. But yeah, really, really nice, guys. Of course, you've got all your literature right there. You can see codes, blah, 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 telling you what's what. Yeah, just a gorgeous piece, man. I've not yet worn this out per se, but you know, I can't wait to, once it gets a little bit cool, cooler, you know what I mean? Great piece. You can rock it with shorts, you know what I mean? Great peach color right there. Really, really nice. Of course, your special badge. Guys, let me know your thoughts, man. This is a piece that will definitely get a lot of wear, and it's already a favorite just because of the way it feels and the way it drops. I bought this in a large. As you can see, it's a little bit loose. It's not fitted. So yeah, really nice, guys. All right, beautiful people, that wraps this up. Please leave your comments down below, like, share, you know, do all the necessary. Let me know if this is something you picked up, something that you would pick up. Is it a bit of you, not a bit of you? Let me know, guys. This has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit Dat. I've been your homie P Fire, your homie P Fire, your host P Fire, and this has been, I'm just messing this all up. This has been, I've been your host P Fire, again, P is for Pete, and this has been Once We Are Not The Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Guys, stay dope, stay fly, and be professional, unlike me. Peace.